maths enthusiast, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. In the earlier video, we have learnt about finding squares of numbers using duplex method. And if you found that method little complex, then come and learn another very easy method with me. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join our mathematical journey. So now let's start learning the method. So here first we'll find the square of a two-digit number. So here we have to find the square of 56. So first we'll arrange the digits in this manner, 56 and 56. Now the total number of digits here are 4. So 4 minus 1 we get 3. So the number of partitions are 3. Now make 3 partitions, 1, 2, 3. Now in the first partition, multiply the first 2 digits, that is 5, multiply by 5. Now in the third partition, multiply last 2 digits, that is 6, multiply by 6. And in the second partition, multiply the digits diagonally and add them. That is 5 multiply by 6 plus 5 multiply by 6. So here in the first partition, we get 25. In the third partition, we get 36, and in the second partition, 5 6 are 30 plus 30 we get 60. So now we'll write the digits here, 25, make a partition, 60 and make a partition. So as we know that leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the partitions. So this 3 will go and add over here and this 6 will go and add up over here. So we get 6, 3 plus 0 makes it 3. 6 plus 5 makes it 11. So 1 over here and 1 as a carryover, and 2 plus 1 makes it 3. So 3136 is the answer. Now let's find the square of 78. So here also the total number of digits are 4. So 4 minus 1 we get 3. So 3 are the number of partitions. So make partitions over here, 1, 2, 3. Now in the first partition we multiply first 2 numbers, that is 7 multiplied by 7, which gives us 49. Now in the third partition we multiply the last 2 digits, that is 8 multiplied by 8, for which we get 64. And in the second partition we multiply the digits diagonally and add them. So that is 7 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 8, for which we get 56 plus 56, we get 112. So here we'll arrange the digits, 49, make a partition, 112 and 64. So now we need single digit in all the partitions except for the first one. So here also we'll use the chain addition. So this 6 will go and add up over here and this 11 will go and add up over here. So we get 4, 6 plus 2 makes it 8, 11 plus 9 makes it 20. So 0 over here and 2 as a carryover. Now 4 plus 2 makes it 6. So 6084 is the answer. Now let's learn to find out the square of a 3-digit number. So here we have to find the square of 437. Here also we'll arrange the digits like this, 437 and 437. So the total number of digits here are 6. So 6 minus 1 we get 5. So here we'll make 5 partitions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the first partition, multiply first 2 digits, that is 4 multiplied by 4. In the last partition, multiply last 2 digits, that is 7 multiplied by 7. Now in the second partition, we will multiply these 2 digits diagonally and add them, that is 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3. Now in the fourth partition, we will multiply both these digits diagonally and add them, that is 3 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by 7. Now in the third partition, we will multiply the extreme diagonals, that is 4 multiplied by 7 plus again this 4 multiplied by 7 plus the middle 2 numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 3. Now let's do the calculation. So 4 multiplied by 4 gives you 16. 7 multiplied by 7 gives you 49. Now in the second partition, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus 12 gives you 24. In the fourth partition, 7 3s are 21 plus 21 gives you 42. And in the middle partition, 4 7s are 28. Again plus 28 plus 9. So in the middle partition we get 65. Now let's arrange the digits over here. 16, 24, 65, 42 and 49. So here also we'll do the chain addition. So this 4 will go and add up over here. This 4 will go and add up over here. This 6 will go and add up over here. And this 2 will go and add up over here. Now in the end we get 9. 4 plus 2 gives it 6. 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Then 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So 0 over here and 1 as a carryover. Now 6 plus 2 plus 1 gives you 9 and 1. So the final answer we get is 190969. Now let's take another example. So here we have to find the square of 168. Let's arrange the digits. So 168 and 168 like this. Now the total number of digits here are 6. So 6 minus 1 gives you 5. Now make 5 partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the first partition, multiply first two numbers, that is 1 multiplied by 1. Now in the last partition, multiply last two digits, that is 8 multiplied by 8. Now in the second partition, multiply these two numbers diagonally and add them. That is 1 multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by 6. And in the fourth partition, multiply these two numbers diagonally and add them. That is 6 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 8. And in the middle partition, multiply the extreme diagonal numbers. That is 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8. And add the middle numbers, that is 6 multiplied by 6. So here 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1, 8 multiplied by 8 we get 64. Now here 1 multiplied by 6, 6 plus 6 we get 12. Now here 48 plus 48 we get 96. So 8 plus 8 plus 36 we get 52. So now let's arrange the digits. We get 1, make a partition, then 12, then 52, then 96 and then 64. Here also we'll use the chain addition. So 6 will go and add up over here, 9 will go and add up over here, 5 will go and add up over here and 1 will go and add up over here. So we get 4. 6 plus 6 gives you 12. So 2 over here and 1 is a carryover. 9 plus 1 gives you 10 plus 2 gives you 12. So 2 over here and 1 is a carryover. Now 5 plus 3 gives you 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the final answer we get is 28,224. Now let's find out the square of a 4-digit number. So here let's arrange the digits like this: 1298 and 1298. So here the total number of digits are 8 minus 1 we get 7. So we will make the 7 partitions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here in the first partition we multiply first two digits, that is 1 multiplied by 1. In the last partition we will multiply the last two digits, that is 8 multiplied by 8. Now in the second partition, multiply these two digits diagonally and add them. That is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Now in the sixth partition also, we'll multiply last two digits diagonally and add them. That is 9 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 8. Now in the third partition, we will multiply 1 by 9 plus again 1 by 9 plus the middle two digits, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Now here in the fifth partition also, we will multiply these three digits, that is 8 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 9. Now in the middle partition, we'll multiply the extreme rights, that is 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 plus this 2 by 9 plus this 2 by 9. So now let's start the calculation. So 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1. 8 multiplied by 8 we get 64. Now here 9 multiplied by 8 is 72 plus 72 we get 144. Now here 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 we get 4. Here 9 plus 9 plus 4 we get 22. Here 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18, we get 52. And here 16 plus 16 plus 81, we get 113. Now let's arrange the digits. So we get 1, 4, 22, 52, 113, 144 and 64 in the partitions. So now here also we need single digits in all the partitions except for the first one. So we will do the chain addition. This 6 will go and add up over here. This 14 will go and add up over here. 11 will go and add up over here. 5 will go and add up over here. And this 2 will go and add up over here. So we get 4. Now 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So 0 over here and 1 is a carryover. 14 plus 3 is 17 plus 1 is 18. So 8 over here and 1 is a carryover. 11 plus 1 gives you 12 plus 2 gives you 14. So 4 over here and 1 is a carryover. Now 5 plus 2 gives you 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Now 2 plus 4 gives you 6 and 1. So 1684804 is the answer. I hope you understood this method well. This method is very easy, but the calculations requires more time than the duplex method. And this method can be used in case you've forgotten the duplex method, but I will suggest you to go through the duplex method, learn that method, because that will save a lot of your time in the competitive examinations. And guys, if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Thanks for watching.